Don't! There is a better way. I 3D printed this dart cutting tool to cut them perfectly every time. The printing has started, doing the first layer, and then more layers, one layer each time. I wish this was the actual speed of my printer. And a few moments later, and ready. Let's go. I bought these cheap darts from a toy store. The usual darts are this big, but we want them this big. And that's the reason why. This is cut by scissors and it's not straight, as you can see. It's time to cut them. This form fits 10 darts to cut them all at once. And we cut them with a typical blade. Not recommended if you're not an adult. It's time to load them. In this talon I could not fit more than 12. Whoa, 16! And of course you cannot call this a Nerf video if I don't shoot it. "16!" Subscribe, follow or share if you liked it. Sorry if I'm not showing the actual shooting, but social media usually are very strict about that stuff.